To get started making money on Clickbank with free traffic, we all know we just have to go to the Clickbank marketplace, click on find products. A list of products will come up, and then we can come here and we can sort on rank, average conversion, initial conversion, recurring, and rebill, or we can select by gravity. And we can look at these numbers under status and look at the conversions, the recurring, the gravity. And then we know that we can come down and we can go to the affiliate page, like we see here for the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, and we can scroll down and we can get all this information, great information, 3 reasons you should promote, some testimonials for other people that have done it, and we can grab our hop link and then we can start promoting. Of course, we also have to understand and we know that we have to follow the rules. If we don't follow these rules, then we could lose our privilege of being an affiliate for the product. Also, come down here, there's high converting email swipes. All you have to do is click those and you can get access to these high converting swipes that you can use. You have tracking pixel information, you have Facebook ad resources, exactly how to use a landing page or a quiz, how to have your links to your private policy, terms to avoid such as weight loss, choosing terms such as cravings, unusual, breakfast tonic, and talk about how simple and easy this is. And it's all laid out for us here about how to run Facebook ads using these headlines. And then to wrap it up, we have the commission structure. It's all super simple, right? You as an affiliate, you sign up for the affiliate program on Clickbank, you start creating your links, and then you do this. Create a blog post, create a Facebook post, you create content on your YouTube channel, visitors click on your link, and then you make money. And for sure, this part, when you make money, is really exciting. Getting visitors to click your link, super exciting. Just as exciting it was to sign up for this affiliate program on Clickbank and create our affiliate links. But here is where we're stuck. Blog posts, Facebook posts, YouTube videos as an affiliate. What does this actually look like? What if there was a shortcut? What if there was some way that we could get this part done for us? What if you could get a report on middle-aged weight gain that included a Clickbank pre-sale report that had a section that promoted a very particular product, in this case, Beyond 40 product at the end. Talking 5 pages, 2,382 words, with an introduction and covers the following. Top 3 reasons for middle-age spread, poor lifestyle aging habits that are making you fat. Middle-aged women have a harder time shedding stored fat. Very targeted audience right there. Understanding that stress increases, sending your appetite soaring. Nutrients and supplements to help you lose weight. Get the information right here. Check this out. Report number 2, shed pounds with proper gut health. Clickbank pre-sale report that has a section that promotes BioFit product at the end. 5 pages, 2,494 words. Report number 3, the metabolism weight gain connection to promote CarboFix. Report number 4, cut through the confusion of keto. Another Clickbank pre-sale report that has a section that promotes custom keto product at the end. 5 pages, 2,435 words. Report 5, are cravings sabotaging your weight loss? Report 6, don't let your health suffer from a fad diet. This Clickbank pre-sale report has a section that promotes the ToxyBurn product at the end. 6 pages, 2,566 word report. My question is, do you think that content that you could buy and use as your own would help you as an affiliate with this blog post, with this Facebook post, with this creating a YouTube video to get people, those visitors that you're looking for as an affiliate, to click on your link so you could make money promoting these Clickbank products? The simple answer is yes. And I don't want to get too hypey on this because there still is some work to be done here, but you can instantly download 6 of these ready-made Clickbank PLR pre-sale reports in the weight loss niche, and these are all highly targeted Clickbank weight loss pre-sale reports. And there is a link in the description to head over to this sales page. You can read all the details, understand exactly what you're getting, but you're getting 6 reports that I just covered, and you're going to get all 6 of those reports, and you can see a sample here, and I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like when you download it, because this is how you can use PLR or private label rights content to create the content that you need to make money fast, to make money quick, to make money easily. Once you understand how this works and understanding that you can download and use this content, there's only 2 rules that this vendor has. Don't use her name on it and don't pass along the rights to others. Understand that. If you have any questions, of course, you can always ask me. and you can get this for $17. But what do you get when you click add to cart? After you click add to cart and make your purchase, you're going to get this zip file. You're going to download it from your members area. You're going to get these 6 reports for Beyond 40, BioFit, CarboFix, Custom Keto, Okinawa Tonic, and ToxyBurn. Let's go ahead and look inside Beyond 40, and you're going to get the product link, which is going to take you to the sales page and the affiliate page for Beyond 40, the product that you're going to be promoting when you open up this Word doc. You're going to get the content that you see right here about middle-age weight gain. As you grow older, you may develop some aches and pains and discover that it's not as easy to do the things you could do when you were younger. But there's something else that often happens as you hit middle age. You start to gain weight. Then you grab one of these headlines, for example, top 3 reasons for middle age spread. You read this and then you say, okay, I can turn this into a post. Then you scroll down to the bottom past all the other headlines. We'll come back to those and we're going to use those. But what we want to focus in is on the end of this report. But that still might not help because it won't necessarily help you lose weight where you need it the most. That's why you need to get a supplement like Beyond 40 that's designed to help you get rid of the stubborn belly fat. Understand that this paragraph and the rest of these paragraphs are where you are going to be able to get people to do exactly what you want to do, which is inside your content on a blog post, on a Facebook post, or on a YouTube video. You're going to get them to understand the problem they have. You're going to help them by letting them understand exactly what the problem is, but then you're going to do what you do as an affiliate, and you're going to lead them to the final solution, which is to click on that link that takes them over to you making the money, which is that link to promote Beyond 40. Of course, back over on Clickbank, if you come over and you look at Beyond 40, you scroll down, you're going to see right here, Lean Belly 3X, the newest commission crusher that has arrived on Clickbank. You can see the gravity, you can see the conversion right here, $137.50. You can see the affiliate page. You can come over to the affiliate page. You can understand the commission structure. You can get your hop link. You can get your high converting email swipes. And of course, those are all going to assist you as well. But come back to this idea of instantly downloading these 6 brand new ready-made Clickbank PLR pre-sale reports in the weight loss niche today. Scroll down and take a look at this report number 1 again, middle-aged weight gain. This Clickbank pre-sale report has a section that promotes the Beyond 40 product at the end. We saw a paragraph of that. We understand what we're doing. What we're doing here is we are helping people understand the top 3 reasons for their middle-age spread. We're letting them understand how their poor lifestyle aging habits are making them fat. We're targeted and we're focused in on middle-aged women that have a harder time shedding stored fat than other people. And again, this is targeted at the Beyond 40 product with this ready-made report that we get right here along with the other 6 reports inside that has the product link, the complete document with everything we need in each report to promote each product, all readily available today, instantly to download, all done for us. And then all we have to do at that point, go back to Clickbank, sign up to the affiliate program, grab our affiliate links, either create a blog post or pop over to Facebook. Probably the easiest and simplest way here, the quickest way is to go to Facebook and as an affiliate, start looking for people on Facebook that have these problems, that are looking for their solutions that you're about to provide them. Post there on Facebook, get those visitors to click your link and start making money. So over on Facebook, what's that look like? It looks like this. Type in a search term such as weight loss for middle-aged women, hit return. Come in here, start looking at some of the other content that is already on Facebook to include these Facebook ads. Start exploring the pages, taking a look at photos, look at other people's posts, understand what's going on, and then simply come down here at groups and look at these weight loss support groups for women, weight loss for beginners, fitness, exercise, weight loss, and diet tips. Think about what you could do inside of these groups with this content that you're going to purchase. Don't go in here and start spamming these groups. Go in here, understand the actual problem that these people have, help them with your helpful content that you just purchased, do additional research based around the topics that were in those reports. So again, report number 1, middle-age weight gain. Here you have 5 topics. Top 3 reasons for middle-age spread. Poor lifestyle, aging habits that are making you fat. Middle-aged women have a harder time shedding stored fat. Stress increases, sending your appetite soaring. Nutrients and supplements to help you lose weight. These are 5 things that you can deep dive. 5 topics that you will deep dive into with this done for you research and create more content just like this. But this content gets you up and running fast today to be able to support and promote the Beyond 40 product and start earning commissions on Clickbank. Simply go back to Facebook, join these groups, be helpful, be supportive, understand that the Beyond 40 product is going to help people if you approach them the right way. Promote the product, promote the benefits of the product, promote what the product actually does. Use the content in these reports that you get instantly once you purchase Clickbank Weight Loss Pre-Sale Reports, PLR. PLR stands for Private Label Rights. Again, scroll down here, look at this content, look at this excerpt, understand how this PLR will serve you, check out this feedback, understand what you can do with this content. You can edit it, you can leave it as is, you can use it on your blog, you can use it in email autoresponders to follow up, build an email list, you can compile it into a report, you can turn it into your own info product. You can engage readers on social media with this content. Cut it up or use it in full on sites like Facebook, just like I showed you, so you can begin interacting with a like-minded audience. That's how simple this is to download and start using this content, and you can get started with this shortcut for $17. Link in the description. Click that link. It'll take you over to this page, and you can instantly download these 6 brand new ready-made Clickbank PLR pre-sale reports in the weight loss niche industry, and you can start making commissions on Clickbank today. Of course, if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Click that link, pick up these reports, start using this content to promote these Clickbank products. It really is just that simple. Link in the description. I'll talk to you later. Bye.